nangyari na ito doon sa Dumaguete. Katulad ng nangyari dito, similar case na nilagyan nila ng mga heavy equipment yung park kung saan supposedly doon kami mag prayer rally. It's not really na may gusto kaming pabagsakin o gano'n. All we are asking is to hear us out. And they don't even allow that. I cannot understand why you have to make up stories when you really have all the resources and the position, to really actually give a valid proposition for a debate. Manuro ka lang na wala yung ginawa. It's unbecoming of a president.